What if black holes could make music? In 2003, NASA detected sound waves coming from a deep cosmic hum 57 octaves below Middle Sea. It's the lowest note ever recorded in the universe. These vibrations ripple through gas and dust, echoing for millions of years. It's as if the universe itself is humming a dark symphony. We can't hear it directly, but we can feel its rhythm in the void. Follow and subscribe for more space mysteries.